Hello guys, English lessons with Ringtone Apoko. Ringtone Apoko ameharibu Kiingereza sana. Gubaro School. Ringtone Apoko English classes. Number 1. Ringtone Apoko. Uko tayari?
Kabisa.
Are you ready?
Kabisa.
Yeah.
Sir, let's go.
Kuchoka ama nini German?
Unafanya
German is style.
hata mimi nimekuja kwako.
German is style. German is what? German is style. Is style.
Ringtone Apoko. Huwezi sema I am tired. How? Tired ni ya gari. So wewe huwezi sema ati I am tired. Ati umefanya kazi umekimbia unasema I am tired. How? No, we say I am tired. Ringtone Apoko. Are we together?
Kabisa.
We say I am tired. You cannot say I am tired. Kwani wewe ni gari? Wewe ni gurudumu ya gari useme you are tired. No. And we will not allow such English. Mtu anakaa ruda, mtu anaendesha Range Rover, unaongea Kiingereza kama hiyo. We will not allow. Let's go. Number 2.
Anointing of God. I'm disappointed. Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
I am disappointed. Ringtone Apoko. We don't say I am disappointed. We say I am disappointed. Are you together? We say I am disappointed. How we say I am disappointed. Apoko. Allah?
Very much because size 8 is chase me. How size 8 is chase me from pulpit? Now how?
Because size 8 is just me. Ulisikia Kiingereza kama hiyo wapi? Tunasema we say because size 8 chased me. Because size 8 chased me. Next, Apoko.
What do you guys think I'm do for a living?
How do you guys think I'm do? Mulisikia Kiingereza kama hiyo wapi? You cannot say how do you guys think I'm do? Ulisikia Kiingereza kama hiyo wapi? Ai, unasema what do you guys think I do? What do you guys think I do? Unasikia?
Kabisa.
Yaani mtu anaishi Runda, mtu anaendesha Range Rover, mtu anaendesha Mercedes Benz, unaongea Kiingereza kama hiyo, ni kukosea Mercedes Benz heshima, ni kukosea Range Rover heshima, ni kukosea watu wa Runda heshima. Unasikia Apoko? You cannot say that. Allah.